somebody taking a shit and listening to something, watching TV. I'm kind of disappointed. Like, this is one of the cleanest toilets ever, restrooms. Like, Berlin was way dirtier than this. This was super clean. Like, it was not even dirty, but this is Hollywood Boulevard and it's super clean. So I don't know what happened, but great job, guys. Welcome to Hollywood. What you're about to see is, you know, with parental advisory only. So get ready for this. Welcome to Hollywood. Welcome to Hollywood. Ain't this super beautiful? Y'all want to see some stars? Let's go. We got Steven Spielberg. What a coincidence, man. Jamie Foxx right here. Alrighty. Always gotta check out Quentin, man. Now, I gotta tell you one thing before we go further. Like, this is the beginning of the boulevard, and you're gonna see some streets with some nasty stuff right there. That's the truth of Hollywood, you know. It is what it is. It's not gonna be prettier, but I just want to share that with y'all before you spend all that money coming out here and thinking it's like, ooh, you know. So let me show you. What? You know what's up. As you have seen one of my latest videos, you know what we visited, like the memorial on a strip, and yeah, we're trying to find Tupac star because it should be out here. Just bear with me and let's try to find it. Now, this is the second street, you know, after TCL. Still no Pac. Still looking. Trying to get to Starbucks. Seems I probably need to walk for about another kilometer or two. 3rd Street. So that was the first Law and Order action. Meanwhile, doing some cool murals and stuff. This is Hudson Ave. Wilcox Ave. Argyle Avenue. This is so far, man. Okay, this is so far already. Like, where's Tupac? Cypress Hill. What is Pitbull doing before Pac, man? What is Usher doing before Pac? Man, this is ridiculous. I'm going to try the other side. Way to the Fonda Theater. Gwen Stefani and Tupac Shakur, man. Like, damn, that only took like half an hour. Why they put him out here? All the way from TCL right up there. That's what's up in Hollywood. I gotta go to ISO 400, but this is some legendary stuff. Like, check that out. Motley Crue in the house. ASEAN stuff. After all the walking, then I found this. Check that out. They got a big one up there. And this was another beautiful episode in Hollywood. Peace out, Westside.